Ascent Audio, a division of Recorded Books, presents Data Engineering Design Patterns, Recipes for Solving the Most Common Data Engineering Problems by Bartosz Konieczny. Narrated by Charles Constant. This title includes bonus material. To access, visit rbmediaglobal.com/audiobooks/search and search for the title. In the search results, click the title to visit the audiobook landing page. Access the PDF via the Download Bonus Material link under Downloads. Legal disclaimer. The views expressed in this work are those of the author and do not represent the publisher's views. While the publisher and the author have used good faith efforts to ensure that the information and instructions contained in this work are accurate, the publisher and the author disclaim all responsibility for errors or omissions, including without limitation responsibility for damages resulting from the use of or reliance on this work. Use of the information and instructions contained in this work is at your own risk. If any code samples or other technology this work contains or describes is subject to open source licenses or the intellectual property rights of others, it is your responsibility to ensure that your use thereof complies with such licenses and/or rights. Preface. As a data engineer coming from the software engineering world, design patterns have always accompanied me on my journey. Adapter design pattern helped me write a backend with pluggable I/O abstractions. Template method design pattern let me write an easily adaptable business logic, and thanks to the builder design pattern, I could set up an easily maintainable unit tests layer. Having these great experiences in mind, I've been looking for similar standardized solutions since my first day in the data engineering space. Over time, in each new project, I found something that was similar to previous projects. By connecting these dots, I first completed a list of data engineering patterns for cloud services. Meantime, I have been continuing to enrich my data engineering design patterns list, despite working on different business domains and with different technologies. That's how, by summer 2023, I ended up with a quite solid list of data engineering design patterns that I included in the proposal for this book, which, since you are listening to, was accepted. I hope the book will add a missing standardization piece each data engineer can rely on to identify a problem, its solution, and warning points. I also hope it will help data engineers work with the data engineering tools of tomorrow. The structure of this book. This book follows the workflow of a classical data engineering project that starts with data ingestion and ends with day-to-day monitoring. The steps of the project correspond to the main chapters, so you can easily identify the stage to which each pattern in a chapter applies. Additionally,
sample complete. Ready to continue?